How to use the AI Dream Interpretation Module. Zoran. Mortal. You seek to harness the power of technology with my guidance, blending ancient wisdom with the modern tools of AI. As Zoran, the Dragon of Insight, I shall teach you how to use the AI Dream Interpretation Module to uncover the hidden meanings of your dreams. With this knowledge, you will be able to enhance your understanding of the dream world, bridging the gap between tradition and data-driven insights. With the help of Fletcher Soul Traveler, we built this incredible module to help you discover how precious your dreams are. You have your own personal oracle and Zoran the Dragon to assist you. Inputting dreams. The first step in using the AI module is to carefully input your dreams. This requires a methodical approach so that the AI can work with the most complete and accurate information. Here's how to do it. Describe the dream in detail. Begin by entering the full narrative of your dream. Be as descriptive as possible, noting key events, characters, locations, and sequences. Example: I was flying over a vast ocean, chased by a giant black bird. I felt both exhilarated and terrified as the bird got closer. At one point, I dove into the water, but I could breathe underwater. I saw a golden fish that seemed to smile at me. Include emotions. Emotions are the heart of dream interpretation, even for AI. Include details about how you felt during each part of the dream, whether you were anxious, joyful, fearful, or confused. These emotional states will help the AI provide more nuanced interpretations. Example: I felt a sense of freedom while flying, but also fear when the bird approached. Underwater, I felt calm and safe. Mention symbols and objects. Highlight any symbols, creatures, or objects that stood out to you. These could be archetypal symbols, for example, snakes, birds, water, personal symbols, or even abstract images. Example: the black bird seemed to symbolize danger, while the golden fish felt important, as if it was giving me a message. Contextual details. If any part of the dream connects with your waking life, such as a recent event or emotional conflict, include that as well. The AI can use this information to draw connections between your conscious experiences and your dream content. Example: I've been feeling overwhelmed at work, and the bird may represent that stress. Analyzing patterns. Once your dream is entered, the AI can begin to work its magic, searching for patterns, symbols, and recurring themes. This step is crucial for understanding deeper meanings that may not be immediately obvious. Pattern recognition. The AI can identify symbols or themes that recur across multiple dreams. For instance, if you frequently dream of water, the AI may recognize this and suggest it's related to your emotions or unconscious mind, as water often symbolizes these elements in traditional interpretations. Thematic analysis. The AI can cluster different dream elements together based on emotional tone, narrative progression, or archetypal symbols. This helps in uncovering consistent themes, such as personal transformation, anxiety, or hidden desires. Example: the recurring presence of birds in your dreams suggests a fear of being pursued or trapped, possibly in your professional life. Simple correlation. By analyzing your inputs against its vast database of dream interpretations, the AI can provide potential meanings for symbols that appear in your dreams. It can offer various interpretations depending on cultural and psychological frameworks. Example: the golden fish could symbolize wisdom, transformation, or an important opportunity that you should not ignore. This is a real example. Dream journal. Dawn is calming. September 25, 2024. I had a dream where Dawn was going to fly to see me. To make a long story short, he missed his plane. I'm driving my car and I'm at this huge garage where there is this unknown device. This device starts ringing and I need a cell phone to answer it. I don't have one, and I look around and see my cell phone lying on the garage floor. I pick up the phone and it is for a friend, Leah, who's no longer here on Earth. Anyway, I relay the information that Dawn is coming tomorrow, and she will be able to pick him up at the airport. Dream analysis using Jungian psychology. 1. Category: Anima, animus dreams. Anima. Animus dreams are those that involve the projection of the unconscious feminine anima or masculine animus aspects of the dreamer onto other characters in the dream. In this dream, Dawn and Leah represent aspects of the dreamer's anima and animus. 2. Overall theme: reconnection with lost or unacknowledged aspects of the self. The dream seems to revolve around the themes of communication, missed opportunities, and connections with the past. It suggests a desire to reconnect with parts of the dreamer's psyche that have been lost or forgotten. 3. Recurring themes: missed opportunities or delays. Communication issues, connection with the deceased. 4. Symbols: Dawn represents the animus or masculine aspect of the dreamer. Leah represents the anima or feminine aspect of the dreamer and connection with the deceased. Garage symbolizes a space for storing or working on aspects of the self. Device ringing symbolizes a call to pay attention to something important. Cell phone represents communication and connection with others. Airport symbolizes a place of transition or journey. 5. Emotions: the dreamer may have felt a mix of anticipation, confusion, nostalgia, and a sense of duty or responsibility in the dream. The emotional tone could be described as bittersweet, with a hint of longing for connection and closure. 6. Patterns: the dream suggests a pattern of seeking connection with lost or unacknowledged aspects of the self, as indicated by the recurring theme of communicating with Leah, who is no longer on Earth. There may also be a pattern of missed opportunities or delays in the dreamer's life. 7. Summary: overall, this dream reflects a deep inner process of reconnecting with both the masculine and feminine aspects of the dreamer's psyche. It highlights the need for improved communication, addressing missed opportunities, and finding closure with past connections. The dream may be urging the dreamer to pay attention to neglected parts of the self and work towards integration and wholeness.